Hello lovely creatives, Vivian here again. Okay, as you can see I'm on Canva. What will you design today? I was thinking of taking a look at how to design a tote bag. Okay, either for yourself or if you want to make them for your small business. Okay, I wasn't sure about the exact size of that tote bags usually are, so I went on to Google, and as you can see I've typed in standard size tote bag. Okay, and this appeared on the right. I presume that is inches, but I'm not sure, it doesn't say. 13 by 13, 16 by 16, 18 by 18. Okay, let's see if there are any others here. Here's another one. 15 width, 15 inches, length 16, handle 20. Okay, so there are various sizes you can use, but we don't really need to worry about that at the moment. Okay, here's another one, size 34 inches, and it says 38 centimeters. Actually, no, 34 by 38 centimeters. Okay, so let's go back over to Canva. And what will you design today? Okay, I'm going to come down here, and as you can see, we've got the menu, and I'm going to press on print products. Okay, and here it gives you very conveniently popular print products. We've got invitations. As you can see, you can create a blank, a folded card, portrait size, an envelope, landscape, postcard, flyer. If you click on this little arrow here, we can come along to more things, a circle sticker, and here we have a tote bag. Actually, I wasn't sure whether to do a poster today or a tote bag, but I thought in the end we could do a tote bag. Okay, so I'm going to click on tote bag. Okay, no, I'm going to whiz back a sec. As you can see, it says 250 millimeters by 250. Learn more. High quality. Okay, you can also browse high quality tote bag templates. Okay, but we've gone for the blank one. Now, to find out what size it is, I'm going up to the top, over to File, and if you are on a Pro Canva account, it gives you all the details. So this is a tote bag, 250 millimeters, so 25 centimeters by 25 centimeters. Okay, I'm not going to design anything on the handle, so we're not really worried about size at the moment. Okay, so here it very nicely gives you some ideas, some guidelines. So we don't really want to use templates that someone else has done, otherwise it won't be personalized. This is nice. I will fly away and leave yesterday behind. Okay, very simple, as you can see. Some have got the crown, so they are Pro Premium templates. Okay, so you need the Pro Canva account to use that template. Good things take time. Yes, they do. It gets better. Let's hope it does. Save the planet. I'm very into trees and plants and anything botanical, so I like that one. Okay, let's go over, and I'm going to go to elements. I just said I like anything botanical, so let me have a look. Plants. Okay, if you go along to the filter bit, which is here, can you see that? We should be able to go down, scroll down, and get the free elements. Okay, they're not very exciting though. Graphics. That's quite nice. See all. Okay. And if I quite like that one. Oh, but that one's even nicer. If you go up to the top here, you can see the 3 dots. It is a free component element, and if you want to learn more, remember to go over to the I, and it brings down a list of licensing made simple. Okay, this is very important. Don't resell, redistribute, or take credit for stand-alone media. What does that mean? That means basically you need to add something to your design to make it original. Okay, I quite like that, so I've clicked on it. And it's giving me the little guidelines. So it's sort of disappearing. Okay, not very big, is it? And I'm going to come down here, and this is to zoom in. I love that. Okay, I do like that, but I'm going to add something to it to make it more original. Let's see if I go up and type in abstract. No, sorry, I'm going to type in, you know I'm always changing my mind. Please bear with me. Aesthetic green. Okay, and let's have a look there. Go on, Canva, you're thinking about it. Okay, that's quite nice. Little hearts here. Branches. I'm trying to look for something that sort of ties in with these designs. And I'm not having much luck. But I like that. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to go up to the top, colour, and here it gives me my document colours. So I am going to change the colour. Now that's great. I'm going to right click, copy, right click, paste, and I get a copy of it. And I am going to bring this down a bit, bring this one up a bit, and I'm going to go over to the left and choose the text box. And this time I'm going to go for some stylized text because I want it to be a nice font. So let's have a look. Remember, the Crown is a pro font. Sparkle, that will have a sparkly effect. I quite like that. So I am going to use that, but I am going to write something different. I am going to bring the size down, and if I go to the top here, this font size at the moment is 177, so I'm clicking on that. Can you hear I've still got a bad cold? Oh, what's that? Got another one in there. Okay, that's quite nice. If I write in botanical, I actually want this. I'm going to try and do something now. I'm going to bring that down. Botanical. No, I don't like that. So let's do something rather clever. I'm going to left click, hold the left click down, go over that, and I am going to go, where am I? Ah, yes, up to effects. And I am going to choose curve. Isn't that much better? Yes, well done, Vivian. Even if I say so myself. Okay, I obviously don't want February 14th there, so I have clicked on that left click and I'm getting rid of that. Why have I got Valentine's Day twice? Or rather 3 times. I'm just clicking on it and getting rid of them. Okay, I think that box is what, that's it. Okay, botanical. Okay, as you can see, my little blobs are in the wrong place, so I'm just going to select them. And I'm going to make them smaller. And to check what size I've made it, I'm going to pull it out, drag it out a little. 18.2. So I want the other one to be the same. Can you see? As I'm holding the left mouse down, did I say 18.2? 18.2. If you can't get it exactly, use your arrows on your computer. 18.3. Botanical. That is nice. I'm going to move them around a bit. 59%. Let's move this one around a bit. Something doesn't look quite right, but we'll sort it out in a moment. I'm going to get rid of that one. Not that. This one. Botanical. Okay. As you can see, I'm holding down left click as I move it around. And can you see the red lines that appear? Okay. So that actually is centered in the image. Okay. I'm going back over to elements because I want to find something similar to this foliage here. Let's have a look for a aesthetic green butterfly. Let's see if anything comes up. Okay, now let me have a look at 3 dots. It's free. Okay, made by Canva Studio, I believe. Okay, I'm going to grab that butterfly and I'm going to bring it down, make it smaller. All I'm doing is holding down the left mouse, click, and I'm going to position it. Oh, there we are. That looks lovely. Should I leave the blurb? What do you think? Botanical. I'm going to get rid of that, I think. But I do like to change designs quite a bit, so I might just sort of put it up here over the foliage to make it so that it's not standalone design. You do need to change the designs. Okay, I think I'll leave it there, and I will right click, I will copy it, I will paste it, right click, paste, and I'm going to bring it down over here. Okay. That That looks rather nice. Now, what about the colour? Is the black okay? I'll zoom in. I'm coming down to the bottom and I'm zooming in. What do you think of that font? Is it too small? Is it too big? Is it the right colour? Well, we can play around with that. I'm going to left click, hold down, select the whole lot. Okay, this font is called Vida Loca. That sounds like a Ricky Martin song. Wasn't that the Vida Loca? Okay, if you're young, old enough to remember that. Lemon Tuesday. I know that's going to make it. I've changed it to Lemon Tuesday. Not sure. So I'm going to go back up to the top, undo button. I might just make it a, I'm coming to here to text colour at the top. Can you see that? Come on, text colour, wakey, wakey. Text colour. Okay, there's a deep green here. Let's have a look at that, see how that... No. I'm going back to the black. Okay, so there we have it. We have designed our gorgeous tote bag, botanical. And what am I going to do? I'll let you see it in a bit more detail. There we are, quite like that. Botanical. Go to the top. Here is the template name. So I am going to just type in tote bag Viv. Come outside there. And I will eventually put it in a folder. I could teach you how to put things into folders if you like. Let me know in the comments. And you can print with Canva. So let's press that, see what happens. One size. But look at that. It gives you the mock-up of the design. Tote bag colour. How many? The price. Okay, this is in euros because I'm in Italy. 24 euros. 100% cotton canvas bag. Has one large main compartment and reinforced shoulder straps. Happiness guarantee. Oh, that's lovely. If you're not happy with your order, contact us and we'll fix it, reprint it or refund it. So what more could you ask for? And you've also got free delivery, it says here. Okay, but I'm not going to print with Canva. I'm going to go up to share and I am going to download it. Okay, so I come here, download, PNG, high resolution image, which is suggested. And all you do is go to download and you've got it on your computer. Remember to put it in a nice folder so you can remember. If you're anything like me, I'm an absolutely disaster at saving stuff. And I've got stuff all over the place. In fact, I need a good declutter. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Take care, everybody, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.